In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method to website in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know how to add a payment element to your form and connect it to a provider like Stripe, PayPal, or Authorize.net so customers can pay you directly on your site. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and opening your location dashboard. From the main menu on the left, head to Sites. This is where all your website tools live. Inside Sites, choose Forms. Forms are the easiest way to collect customer details and payments without custom code. Pick the form you want to add payments to, or create a new one if you prefer a fresh start. Choose the form that's already embedded on the page where you want to accept payments, so the change goes live exactly where your visitors expect it. Click the form to open it in the builder. Inside the form builder, look for Quick Add. This gives you ready-made building blocks you can drop into your layout. Find the collect payment element, then click and drag it onto your form where it makes the most sense, usually near the end after you capture name and email. This element adds the secure checkout fields your customers will use. When the payment element is in place, click Connect. If you haven't linked a payment provider yet, you'll be guided to the integrations area. Choose more providers to see all available options. Here you can select the provider that fits your business. Click Stripe if you want a fast, widely supported credit and debit card solution with features like subscriptions and receipts. Click PayPal if you want to offer PayPal wallets in addition to cards, which some customers prefer for familiarity. Click Authorize.net if your business already uses that gateway or needs its specific merchant settings. You can explore other listed providers as well to match your region and use case. For the provider you choose, click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign in and authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions from the provider, then return to GoHighLevel. Once connected, the collect payment element in your form is ready to process transactions through that provider. From here, simply save your form. If it's already embedded on your website, the payment capability will appear where you place the element. As a best practice, run a quick test transaction using your provider's test or sandbox tools. Verify the correct currency and receipt settings in your payment account, and make sure your site uses HTTPS for a secure checkout experience. That's it. Your GoHighLevel form can now accept payments directly on your website.